Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Sarif Muslimin Saban from the second presenter from Group 7. And my topic for today is all about the designing for different media, the brochures, magazines, and billboards. Designing for different media requires adapting visual content to specific technical and contextual demands. Balancing consistency with optimization for print, web, social media, and video. Key considerations include adapting high resolution CMYK for print, responsive layouts for screens, and fast loading, visually engaging formats for social media, ensuring cohesive branding across all platforms. So, sa designing for different media is kailangan nating mag-adapt ng mga iba't ibang mga visual content to specific or para mas ma-enhance to specific the technical and contextual demands ng ating gagawing design. No? So, kailangan nating mag-adapt ng mga iba't ibang mga visual designs para mas mag-improve or para mas maganda yung outcome ng gagawin nating design. So, sa pag-design, meron tayong key principles for different media types. Meron tayong mga types of media na kung saan doon tayo gagawa ng mga iba't ibang design. So, meron tayong five different media types. First is the print media. Sa print media, we have the brochures, posters, and packaging. Sa print media, meron tayong resolution. No? Sa resolution, high resolution, typically 300 dpi, is required for quality. No? Kung gusto nating maganda yung quality ng gagawin nating design, is i-adjust natin sa resolution. No? Sa resolution. Second, the color mode. Use CMYK color mode to ensure accurate physical color reproduction. So, from the word itself, color, no? Kung gusto natin i-adjust yung color ng gagawin nating design, is meron tayong color mode. And the layout. Focus on tactile elements and physical layout constraints. Sa layout naman, kung gusto nating tayo yung gagawa ng layout, no? Nakadepende sa atin kung ano yung gusto nating layout para mas maganda yung outcome na gagawin nating design. Number 2, the digital and web design. Sa digital and web design, we have the responsive design. Website must adjust seamlessly to varying screen sizes and devices. No? From the word itself, the responsive design, meron tayong websites must adjust seamlessly to varying screen sizes and devices. Second, the performance. Optimize image file sizes to improve loading speeds. And this visual hierarchy, use contrast, typography, and color to guide user attention on screens. No? Kung gusto natin i-adjust yung contrast, no? Sa contrast ng gagawin nating design, is meron tayong visual hierarchy. Number 3, the social media. Platform specificity. Tailor visuals to platform cultures. For instance, highly aesthetic, no? For Instagram, professional for link, no? Yung mga nakikita nating design sa mga Instagram, no? Sa Facebook, sa YouTube, ganyan, is yun na yun sila. Format variation, adapt to unique file types, aspect ratios, and specifications for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. No? Parang same lang din sila. The immediate impact, use engaging, quick to digest visuals. Number 4, the motion graphics and video. We have the storytelling. Sa storytelling, use video to showcase projects through case studies. And the dynamic visuals, focus on motion and engagement, often using a mix of video and motion graphics. So, dito sa dynamic visuals is nakafocus lang siya sa motion. Kapag sinabi natin motion is yung bilis or bagal ng gagawin nating video, halimbawa, is dito natin i-adjust sa dynamic visuals. And last but not the least, the mixed media design. We have the texture and the depth, incorporate elements like scan textures, grunge overlays, or grain to add authenticity. So kapag gusto nating ma-adjust yung texture, no? Yung texture ng gagawin nating video, halimbawa, or design is meron tayong texture and depth. And last, the layering. Combine hand-drawn, photographic, and digital elements for a unique aesthetic. No? From the word itself, layering. No? Kung gusto natin i-adjust yung layering ng gagawin nating video, halimbawa, is dito natin i-adjust sa meron tayong layering na kung saan doon natin i-adjust yung gusto nating layer ng gagawin nating video or design. And I think that's all for my part. Thank you.